Okay, so what we've got here is the Hurricane Tube. I've got both receivers tucked away in here, and I've got the iPad ready to go, so I can control it from anywhere in the room. Just so happens I've got it here right beside it, but it is Bluetooth, so I'm going to be able to control that from anywhere within the room. This particular button arrangement is mixing the colours, so I should sort of add them and take them away. All on and all off is both white. There's a nice orange, a purple there, a blue, colours on. And then I'm sitting on the radio controller cube, so we'll have a go with that as well. So the two are compatible. It just takes whatever the sort of the latest signal is. And I've mentioned that we have a range of radio switches, one of which is the cube. Now the cube sends a signal relating to the uppermost edge. The cube is sending the green signal, it sends it, and then the iPad is sending another signal to overrule the green. Now normally you would operate the cube by sort of handling it and throwing it across the room. So, and whatever it ends up, that's the signal that's gonna sort of, so as it's tumbling around the room, it might be sending a whole bunch of signals. But then eventually it ends, and that's the signal that it gives. And I guess that's why you can get another signal out of it by just tapping it. So that's quite a fun feature. So that's just one of the many radio switches that we sell. And you can see here how the Hurricane Tube, as a piece of interactive equipment, will respond to both systems. And when you first buy it, it's just a very simple switch-operated bit of kit. So it can be very simple or really quite complex, however you like it. And you can upgrade as you go along. And if you bought your column within the last, I think probably 4 or 5 years, then you can add the receivers to it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll watch other ones that we make them as we make them. We'll be doing all the multisensory kit at some point or another. So stay tuned. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.